Hi, welcome. In this video, I'm going to tell about how to set a unit in an AutoCAD software. First, you need to set a unit, then you need to go to a limit setting. So first, you need to know how to set a units. Okay, for unit, you need to type a command units. Once you type, then press enter, or else you can use spacebar instead of enter key. After that you will get this dialog box. This dialog box, you have a lot of options. The first one is length type. What is the type of length we are going to use? The first one is the decimal length, that is the basic one, or else you can go to architectural for architectural drawings, or else go to engineering means the manufacturing drawings that have a tolerance values and precision values. Also fractional values means that is to 1 by 3 to 1 by 4 to 1 by 5, like that. It's not possible in a current drawing, but in few cases it can be usable. Okay, next to that, scientifics means it has some precise room, but it's high level precise one. So as of that, the default value I go to decimal values. Okay, next to that, we need to go to a precision level. What is the precision level of our dimension? Okay, so 0.0 means it have one decimal value, and 0.00 means two decimal values. It's like 0.8 times zeros, so it contains that much precise accurate values. Okay, so I just go for a two decimal places, so I select 0.00. Next to that, angle setting, there are different kinds: the decimal degrees, minutes, seconds, gradients, radians, surveyors units specifically go for a civil structural works and also a road and bridge constructions. And next to that, gradients are not used because it's in scientific level. And next to that, degrees, minutes, seconds, it's very high accuracy one. And next to that, decimal values, the basic drawings that requires enough for decimal degrees. Okay, so I just select only decimal degrees. And next to that, even you can set precise for degrees also. Okay, so in degrees means it contains certain long distance value need more high precise degrees. That's why it gives a precision. And next to that, clockwise or anti-clockwise. Clockwise in the sense we can calculate the degrees by in clockwise direction. Actually, most of the degrees, not most of the that all degrees are drawn by using only anti-clockwise degrees. Okay, not in clockwise. Suppose if any critical case or special cases, we can just select clockwise, then the degrees will select in clockwise direction. Suppose if you unselect that clockwise, then automatically the degree starts from the 0 in the east direction, and also it continues in 90, 180, 270 and 360. That by is the anti-clockwise direction. And next to that, insertion scale. Actually, all templates are developed in certain scale, but it's not in the unit. Okay, once we set the unit in a scale, then it decides what is exact template expansion and scaled. Okay, so first one is the unitless, and lot of values are available: inches, feet, US survey feet, miles, millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer, micro inches. And next one is mils, and yards are angstroms, nanometer, and microns, decimeter, decameters, like that. So there are different kinds of insertion scales available. Actually, most of the Indian drawings having only the millimeters, and also a centimeter and kilometers and meters. Okay, so I can choose a millimeter for all my drawings. Because all my drawings only a small scale, small components, and also a small structural views. If I have more bigger than the meter, means I can go for a meter. Suppose if I go for a millimeter, more than size of meter or kilometer, then I can go for a kilometers. Okay, so I just choose a millimeters. And next to that, lightings means there are two kinds of lightings available. First one is the international, and the second one is the American. Lighting means in the sense first angle projection or third angle projection, like that. So as of that, I just choose the international lightings and give a OK. And one more thing, you have to know the direction. What is the angle direction? Actually, I given in a plus symbol, The zero angle starts in the east direction. That means, just a moment, I'll give explanation. I just draw a two line. Okay, in this two line, the 0 degree starts here. The 0 degree starts here. Okay, this is the setup. So as of that, this one is the east direction and this one is the north direction. The 90 degree that denotes the north direction, and 180 degree that denotes the west direction, and 270 degree that denotes the south direction, and 0 degree that denotes the east direction. As of that, in a unit section we can assign east direction is 0 degree and north direction is 90, west direction is 180 and south direction is 270, or else we can change the direction, because some of the structurals and some of the structures that have some different angles or different directions, so that we can assign as of the building structures or structure of a big uh, concrete buildings, bridges, like that. So as of that default, I just given what is assigned yearly. Just go for that. Okay and okay. That's it. If you want to learn more things about this, and again you watch this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.